Ever feel super motivated to chase a goal, then suddenly lose all momentum? You blame yourself. Maybe you're lazy, not disciplined, not good enough. But what if the problem isn't you? What if it's the way you're setting your goals? Stick around, because this one mindset shift could change everything. In this video, I'll explain what SMART goals are and how they can help you achieve what you want. Grab a notebook. This could change your life. SMART goals have 5 main traits: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. To illustrate the concept, we'll use 2 examples throughout the video. I want to be rich. I want to read. Stay with me as we turn these into SMART goals. By the end, you'll know how to set goals that really work for you. S stands for specific. It's very important for your goal to be clear and well-defined. To achieve what you want, you need to know exactly how to get there. Vague goals like, I want to be rich, or I want to read, lack clarity. Without specifying how you'll achieve your goal, you'll stay stuck, leading to procrastination and delays. To make I want to be rich more specific, decide to learn a skill that helps you earn money. Set a target to save a certain amount. Start a specific business. To make I want to read more specific, choose a specific genre. List the exact titles you plan to read. The clearer and more specific your goal is, the easier it will be to achieve. M stands for measurable. Measurable goals help you stay motivated and track your progress. They let you evaluate if you're moving forward as planned. Without measurement, you might feel discouraged, especially with long-term goals. To make reading measurable, set a target like reading 12 books in a year, 1 per month. To make wealth measurable, define the exact amount of money you want to earn or save. Tracking progress keeps you motivated and focused on reaching your goal. A stands for achievable. It's important to set realistic goals based on your current situation. Saying, I'll read 10 books a month isn't practical if you're not used to reading. Similarly, saving $3,000 a month on a $4,000 salary isn't reasonable. Motivation at the beginning is high, but it might not last. Your goals should match your current abilities and resources. For example, if you don't read often, aim to read 6 to 12 books a year. If you earn $4,000 a month, aim to save $1,200 based on the money management system we discussed in a previous video. Ambition is great, but your goals must be grounded in reality to keep you on track. R stands for relevant. Sometimes we chase goals that seem fun or interesting, but don't align with our life goals. Before committing, ask yourself, does this goal move me closer to my long-term vision? For example, learning Japanese is great, but will it help you get the job or degree you want? If not, you might lose motivation later and feel you've wasted time. Relevant goals keep your efforts meaningful and aligned with your true aspirations. When your goals match your life direction, it's easier to stay committed. T stands for time-bound. A time-bound goal has a clear start and finish. Without a deadline, a goal is just a wish. For example, vague goals like, I want to read a book, or I want to learn a skill to make money, lack the structure needed to take action. But when you add a time frame, like, I will read this book from the beginning to the end of the month, or I will learn this skill within 2 months, the goal becomes much more powerful. It's important to set a time frame that's realistic, not too short and not too long. If the deadline is too tight, it can feel overwhelming. If it's too far away, you might keep putting it off. Deadlines create urgency, boost motivation, and help you stay focused until you finish. Always write down your goals and place them somewhere visible. Research shows that people with written goals are much more likely to achieve them. Take control of your life by setting SMART goals and start working toward them today. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content to help you reach your goals. See you in the next video.